Hi everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share the latest news we have this week on immigration. And this week actually there were public opinions polls came out and actually shows that the public in the US they are actually against the harsh immigration policies. As you know that the Trump administration before their election, when they were doing election campaigns and after they actually won the election and started the administration, they say their first target is in immigration enforcement operations will be undocumented or immigrants with the criminal backgrounds. Basically, they were focusing and prioritizing the immigrants with a criminal background to be targeted and to be removed from the society in the US. And that actually got a huge support from the Americans and from the even on the election, for the President Trump to support and elected President Trump, because the public wanted President Trump to focus on removing people with the criminal backgrounds, with the gang relations, with the illegal activities to be removed from the US. That was one of the biggest important reasons. That's why President Trump won the election. As of this week, because of the research being done, because of the poll numbers came out this week, it shows that 60% of Americans oppose the suspension of asylum access at the southern border, and 59 disapprove the ending TPS protections for people, and 54% disapprove the increase ICE workplace rates. And that, I think that's very important because when we see in this last several weeks where ICE targeting employment places, going after parking lot in Home Depots, going to restaurants, going to agriculture places, all of those employment places to get the undocumented people under detention. This shows the American public is actually against and they're disapproving, with the 54% of disapproval of this increased ICE workplace rates. So, and what we could say here is it seems like there's a growing public resistance towards enforcement-heavy policies, particularly those that affect families and long-term U.S. residents, violate perceived humanitarian norms, and disrupt local economies or essential industries. We will see how the Trump administration's enforcement policies or enforcement operations will continue, but we will share with you any latest news we have. This is attorney Ayhan Ogmen. Have a great day.